Berrylands is a residential neighbourhood originally forming part of the Municipal Borough of Surbiton, and since 1965 part of the Royal Borough of Kingston upon Thames. It is a suburban development situated 10.1 miles southwest of Charing Cross. Nearby places include Surbiton, New Malden, Old Malden, Tolworth and Chessington.Berrylands railway station is 24 minutes from London Waterloo by train. History. Berrylands is a settlement of Anglo-Saxon origin that is close to the Thames. Berrylands originally formed part of the Municipal Borough of Surbiton. However, in 1965 it was incorporated as part of the Royal Borough of Kingston upon Thames. Most of the present housing development took place in the 1930s on the former Berrylands farm. The current Surbiton Lagoon Park used to house a Lido, built in 1934, which was closed in 1980 and demolished at the end of the decade. Grid reference EQ 196066725. Etymology. Berrylands is a place name that misleadingly suggests land where berries grow. It actually means land on a tumulus, a hill, from Old English Beorg, cognate with Old Norse Berg, Bjorg and Borg, which mean the same thing, and Old English land. The name was recorded as Berrylands in 1126, and as Berlind in 1148, and more recently as Berrylands in 1378, which shows the true origin as being from Old English Beorg. In a sense, the name corresponds to the modern English hill farm, a common name for farms across the United Kingdom. Housing, shops and transport. There are 4 separate parades of shops. These are Alexandra Drive, Berrylands Road, Chiltern Drive and a smaller parade along Surbiton Hill Park. Chiltern Drive is at the centre of Berrylands, and houses over 22 businesses as well as the Berrylands Public House, the Berrylands, known locally as the Berry. The shops were built in the 1930s, and currently consist of a newsagent's, doctor's surgery, hairdressers, beauty salon, CCTV shop, barbers, coffee shop, printer and book shop, as well as the Berrylands railway station. The neighbourhood is primarily residential. It houses a large commuter population using transport for London travel routes, including 2 bus routes, the K2 and 665, and the Berrylands. Surbiton at Tolworth links to central London. The majority of houses in the neighbourhood were built in the 1930s and have features typically found in housing stock of the interwar period. Although most houses are semi-detached, there are also many detached properties and a small number of flats. On the fork of Grand Avenue and Elmbridge Avenue, there is a cluster of modernist Art Deco houses built as part of the Parkside estate in 1934. Geography. It is home to the sports ground of the London School of Economics and Political Science, and there is a large water treatment plant on the opposite side of the railway. Education. For education in Berrylands, see the main Royal Borough of Kingston upon Thames article. There are 2 main schools in Berrylands, these being Christ Church Primary School and Grand Avenue Primary School.